there wasn't people here, so I could make any noise I want.
Pretty good. So here's a computer. It's this guy. He doesn't really have. What's your name, son?
My name is. Wait, should I say my name?
You don't. I don't care.
I get. My name's Jalen.
Don't lie. Okay, so this is obviously a computer build. Here's the case. I forget what the case is called. Do you remember?
Blue.
A new Skylake i3 6100, a Gigabyte H110MA, 16 gigs. He was gonna get 8.
Yeah.
He purchased another one. This is a Seagate. Is this 1 terabyte?
I don't remember anything.
So here's a 1 terabyte Seagate, 7200 RPM. I don't know much more than that because he bought all the stuff. I'm just looking at it.
Yeah.
Here's a PowerColor PCS Radeon R9 380 with 4 gigabytes of VRAM, not the 2 that you can get with by default. Now I know the RX 480 is out now, and I know it's pretty good, equivalent to a 970. But he got this a while ago, before that came out. Here's a cooler. This is not a Cooler Master Hyper TX3. This is actually an Intermax something. I just decided to put it in here for shipping. Oop, that fell. But this will, he doesn't really need it for an i3, but it'll just make it run cooler and quieter than the stock cooler. Plus, can I take the stock cooler? I'm taking the stock cooler. CX750, this was my power supply, but I don't need it, so I'm just selling it to him for pretty cheap. Let's begin with the installation of the CPU. So I kind of told you about this slightly, how it works.
Yeah.
So, GG.
Start surgery.
This is yours.
I hope so. I put mine over there, but now I don't know.
Oh, I'm just, wait, what?
That's yours, I think.
That was over here, I just placed.
One of them's poison.
There you go, just like that. So pull out the motherboard, the big thing in there.
I don't want to like smash it against the table. I'm really scared.
Okay, yeah. Then you just take the motherboard out.
Okay. Just grab it.
You go ahead.
Oh god. I've never messed with stuff like this before.
And just lay it on the table.
Bye.
Or lay it on the box, actually.
I almost broke it. No.
Do you see the very middle, the big black piece? Yep, right there. You see that metal retention arm? Yeah, go ahead and lift that up by pressing down on it.
Oh.
Right at the end, yeah. Pressing down, yeah, right there. But like more toward this area. You see the big, yeah.
I'm just so scared.
Press that out, down.
Press it down?
Press it down.
Oh god.
And then pull out this way.
Oh wait, what? Oh wait, we might have to learn first.
Lift that up. Yeah, make it flip upwards. Yeah, we're good. You might need the knife for that.
Let's just saw it off.
Here.
If you want to open it, I'd like to get my fingers.
There.
Alright, there we go.
Nice. And then the whole thing will lift out, that piece right there. Yep. And the CPU is up here.
There it is.
At the very top. So there's a little plastic piece that'll lift out right up there. Nope. Right up here. Yep, that's it. There's the processor.
There's cardboard in the way. Don't you hate that? I don't know. That doesn't usually happen. I'm sorry.
And there's your new processor.
Oh my god.
$100. Look at all the pins on the back.
That's a lot of $100.
And find the gold triangle. Hint, hint, it's on the bottom left.
Right there?
Yep. And then match it up with the triangle on the bottom left of the motherboard. Yep, and just drop it in there.
Oh my god. What did I just do?
Make sure it sits in there fine.
Oh my god. Here.
Yeah. And then lower the retention arm. It's gonna take some pressure, like I said. And just, yeah, that's fine.
Wait, what just happened?
That thing came off, that's fine.
Did I just leave it off?
Yeah, that's supposed to be off.
I thought I destroyed it all. Oh no.
And then put it back around this. It's going to take a lot of pressure. Just do it in one.
Oh god. Don't blow up on me. Okay. It's a mouse trap.
I think you broke it.
What? Oh god. What?
You're fine.
Oh god. That was legit fear.
So let's go ahead and install the RAM next.
Ah.
The
I know
RAMs.
what that is, because I bought it once. Twice, actually. I screwed that up even. You just like.
Yeah, sure. Let me take a good look at this. Open the other one as well. There's nice Fury, HyperX Fury RAM DDR4 by Kingston.
Oh, what's it be? Oh my god. Oh god. I have two. So it's alright.
Wow.
Alright.
Yeah, like those just the other one as well.
I'll get there. I'll do that.
And then make sure you match up the pin or that little notch right there with the notch on the motherboard.
Doesn't matter each way.
Yes, there's a notch on one of the ways.
Oh, wait, what? Okay.
Let's line that up. I think you got it right.
Oh.
You're gonna lay it in there?
If you think, then I don't know. That is not right.
Yeah, okay, that's the right way.
We'll just make it fit. Oh god.
Push, push.
Ooh, it's gonna snap sideways. Oh man. So that side first and then just... Oh, until that thing goes in.
Yeah, you got him.
We need a little Asian plate. Wait a minute, let's not go on in that conversation.
So usually I use Arctic Silver, but I'm about out, so here's some Cooler Master stuff. Just put down a little bit, here like I'm doing right here. Hey, what up? That's plenty.
Logo be on there? So now it should be. Yeah, it's on the outside actually.
Just like that.
Oh.
Hey.
Snaps.
And then this is the fan header. You connect that through right here.
So scared.
Should go straight down. Yep, you got it. So to open this up, thumb screws on the side.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, I've used thumb screws this cheap before. These look like the exact same cheap thumb screws I used.
Oh, man.
But that will allow you to take off this, which is the side panel. Throw this out for now. You have two zip ties. Might come in handy. Along with some two screws. So you can install a full ATX size motherboard in here. And it looks like, I can't tell how many drives. You can install two 5¼ inch drives up here in the front right here, you can see that. And it looks like you can also put in, I can't tell if you can put in fans yet, but I know you can put in, or there's already a 120mm fan up here, and you can put two more on the front, but that won't be super necessary. So we're just gonna have that one as outtake. Oh, and it's a blue fan too, look at that. So let's just lay that right there. Go back into the motherboard box and retrieve this right here, and I'll go and take these out right here. So this will just sit right in here. Audio ports are down at the bottom, PS2 ports at the top.
It's just like PS2.
Hey, same.
It's not the same.
I'll just snap that right
We're
there.
gonna knock the trap.
So go ahead and take this by the heatsink and carry it by the heatsink and drop it right into the case.
Drop it. I'm just
Putting these ports outside the holes I just put in, so you can kind of see them coming out the other side. And you have to lay them right on the standoff side. Okay.
looks right. It's just not it. We could eat him.
You want to eat them?
Yeah. Oh man. And just smash everything in there.
Yeah. There. Go and lay all the cables down. They can just sit back in here and just chill. Right, so the power supply's in. We already decided what cables we don't need. These are the only cables we will need. Let's see. So let's go ahead and start plugging some of these in.
Use the force. Oh man, this is some tricky business. Oh god, I think
That.
okay.
It's in. Okay, all those are plugged in. I just didn't really want to have to deal with all that on here. There it is. There we go.
Yeah.
Go around.
The mommy board.
And let's hope we don't hit anything if we go straight in the middle.
No. They built it
Oh, nice. The future is here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, bitch. Okay, we're gonna look at that last. Let's see what it comes with. Manual and drivers, which we will just download the latest ones off of the Radeon website. Ooh, it has a backplate. Nice. Here it is. Here's the backplate.
Oh,
It's for the PCI Express slot. R9380. Here's the back I/O. We've got DisplayPort, HDMI, and 2 DVIs. Don't know how many displays it can take. Probably 4. We'll be fine. And there's the.
oh.
Those are weird fans.
That's weird.
I've never seen those before. That's pretty fancy though.
Dang. They have like little fans.
5-fin fans. It's a pentablade. Bunch of copper heat pipes in there. It takes 2 6-pin. The power. Other than that, it looks really nice. That's beautiful though.
So you slide right in. Can't see the bottom now. It's all.
Yep,
Blind.
just push down.
Oh my god. Oh.
There.
Snapped into place.
Yep. Actually, a pretty good mid-range card. I know the 280 was nice. They played Tomb Raider 2013 on ultimate settings. And this is about the same performance, maybe a little bit faster. I actually don't know the performance difference between the 280 and the 380. I know this one has more VRAM for higher resolutions or texture quality. I know the 380X is good for some 1440p gameplay. I'm not completely sure about the straight 280. Plus, you can always overclock a card like this and get a little bit extra FPS out of it. Yeah. Plus, you have extra power draw and fans to keep it cool. I'm gonna need to monitor these temperatures as well because I don't know exactly how hot this card gets. I'm assuming pretty hot considering it's from AMD. I don't know if that's just a burn on their side or just a straight fact because they do get pretty hot. Right, so that's it.
Oh, man.
That's actually it, yeah.
Dang.
That's, oh, it's heavy. Power supply, CPU and CPU cooler, graphics card.
Oh man. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's a newborn baby.
Yeah. Good. Plenty good upgrade path. This will be able to take hopefully a KB like processor. This has 16 gigs RAM, so that's plenty. Graphics card can always be upgraded because that's plenty of a big power supply. You could always add more hard drive space or an SSD in the future. And I say it's pretty nice. I forget exactly how much was this?
Like under $500.
Under 500?
I think so.
Under 500. I mean, if you would have bought this now, it would have had an RX 480 in there, and that would have been
Yeah.
quite a bit faster, but that's fine. It's fine. It's quite ballin'.